How to fix YouTube app not working? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open your phone settings on your device. Next, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure to toggle the switch to on position. A stable internet connection is crucial for the app to work. Then go back and scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, select Manage Apps. Now click on the search bar at the top and type YouTube. From the search result, choose the YouTube app to open its app settings. Next, tap on Clear Data at the bottom right. Then from the menu that appears, hit Clear Cache and confirm your action. This can help remove any temporary glitches. After clearing the cache, go back to your home screen and open the Play Store app. In the Play Store, type YouTube in the search bar. If you see an update button, tap on it to update the app. However, if you see open, that means your app is already up to date. Finally, open the YouTube and check whether the issue is resolved. And that's all. I hope this video helped.